right. Today we have something completely different. We've got an old Hangar 9 Cub that I restored, and it's got a Saito 90 twin glow on it with onboard glow power. We're gonna give it a choke here. I don't know how much of this you're gonna be able to see on video. Oops, go full throttle. Okay. Felt it bump, so it's probably got enough prime. Back to idle. Okay. There we go. Okay. So yeah, this thing was really rough shape. I got it at a swap meet. Stripped it all down, repaired it, made a front hatch that's removable, and I forgot to show you the pilot, but it's me. Did a 3D printed version of me, so I'm flying the Cub. This little 90 twin just sounds so cool. About half throttle. And it's not super aerobatic. It's a Cub, you know. It does Cub things. Like touch and goes. Uh-oh. I think I just lost a cylinder. Yep. Here I was saying I had fixed that problem, and it just did it. And it quit. Well, okay, so much for having it fixed. Okay, back to the drawing board.
You're being recorded.